Bolovinaka. My name is iSema, one of the tutors at learnfijian.com. Today our lesson will be on what is called the iSema. The iSema is the foundation of the Fijian language. iSema is made up of an alphabet or matavosa and a vowel joined together to form iSema. For example, the word mbula. Bula is made up of two isemas. One is bu and one is la. So it's important to learn all the isemas and also how to correctly pronounce them. Today I will be going through the isema that end with the vowel o. Once you've learned how to correctly pronounce the isemas ending with O, then you can just practice by yourself with the vowels ending with A, E, and U. Look on the description below and you can find the link to all the isemas in the Fijian language. Let's start now with the isemas ending with O. Vinaka.
Bo, vo, do, ro, fo, ngo, cho, ko, lo, mo, no, po, go, ro, so, to, wo, yo.
Please do an exercise where you can create some words from that list of isemas that end with the vowel O. There's so many words you can come up with. I'll give you two. The first one is the two isemas to and ro. That makes up the word toro. It means shave. The other isemas that we creates a Fijian word from the list is ko and lo. Kolo. That means throw. So koro, K-O-L-O, or ko and lo. So go ahead, practice the other isemas ending with the other vowels, and then create your own words and learn the meanings, and you have now expanded your vocabulary of the Fijian language and also the correct pronunciation of the isemas. Vinaka, and enjoy learning the Fijian language.